In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a question in Quora. If you want to clean up your feed, remove something you are no longer interested in, or simply make your Quora experience feel a little more relevant, hiding a question is a quick and useful option. The process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. To begin, go to Quora and click on the answer icon. This is the section where you can view questions that are available for you to respond to. If you're trying to manage the kinds of questions you see, this is a good place to start because it helps you locate the specific question you want to remove from view. Once you're in that area, navigate to the question you want to hide. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the exact question. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right one before moving forward, especially if there are several questions on similar topics. Hiding a question is useful when you don't want it showing in your current view, and it can help make your workspace feel more organized and less distracting. After you've found the question, click on the Hide button. This will remove that question from your visible list. In most cases, the change happens right away, so the question should disappear as soon as you select that option. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a second to refresh or look closely to confirm the question is no longer displayed. That's all there is to it. Quora makes it fairly straightforward to hide a question once you know where the control is located. This can be especially helpful if you're reviewing lots of suggested questions and only want to focus on the ones that matter most to you. As a quick tip, if you're regularly using Quora for answering or browsing content, keeping your question list tidy can save time and make the platform easier to use. Small actions like hiding irrelevant questions can improve your overall workflow and help you stay focused on the topics you actually care about. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to hide a question in Quora.